You searched how to buy shares of the New York Times Company, a global news publisher and digital media company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NYT. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Investing carries risks, and the example shown is for demonstration purposes. To buy NYT, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NYT to find the New York Times Co. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview, recent news, and the price chart to get basic context about the stock. Confirm the page shows the New York Times County on NASDAQ with ticker NYT before moving on. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details carefully, and confirm to submit the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled or listed among pending orders. Check the video description for the example eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.